Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you? How's your day going so far?
I'm doing very well, thanks. It's been a nice and relaxing day. I had a delicious cup of coffee this morning. It was amazing.
That sounds wonderful. Morning coffee really is the best, isn't it?
It sure is. So, Sarah, what's our topic for today? It sounds like a fun one, right?
Exactly, Adam. Today, we're going to talk about daily routines. It's a super useful topic for English learners because we talk about our day every single day.
That's so true. Everyone has a daily routine, even if it's a little different from one person to another.
Right. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. Adam Channel. It really helps us a lot.
Absolutely. Go ahead and do that now. We're so happy to have you as part of our channel community. Are you ready, Sarah?
I'm ready, Adam.
All right then, let's get started.
Hey, Adam. How was your day today?
Hey, Sarah. My day was pretty good, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad at all. I had a lot to do, but it went smoothly. What time did your day start?
I woke up around 6:30 this morning. The alarm went off and I actually got up right away, which is rare for me.
That's impressive. I hit the snooze button at least twice every morning.
I used to do that too, but now I'm trying to get up earlier to have a calm start.
That's a great idea. What's your morning routine like?
Well, after waking up, I stretch a little, make my bed, and drink a glass of water. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Sounds like a solid routine. Do you eat breakfast before work?
Definitely. I never skip breakfast. I had scrambled eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee today. What about you?
I had a bowl of oatmeal with fruit. It's quick and healthy.
Nice. Do you eat at home or grab something on the way?
I usually eat at home while listening to some soft music. It helps me wake up in a good mood.
Same here. Music in the morning really sets the tone for the day.
Do you work from home or go to the office?
I go to the office 3 days a week and work from home the other 2. Today I went in.
How long is your commute?
About 30 minutes by bus. I usually listen to podcasts or read something short.
That's productive. I drive to work, so I listen to audiobooks. It makes traffic less stressful.
Good idea. What time do you usually start working?
Around 8:30. I like to arrive early so I can prepare before the office gets busy.
I start at 9. I check my emails first, then write down my to-do list for the day.
That's smart. I do something similar. I review my schedule and set priorities.
What's a typical morning like for you at work?
Usually, I check in with my team. We have a short morning meeting where we share updates.
That's like what we do too. Ours lasts about 15 minutes.
After that, I focus on my main tasks. Today, I worked on a report for a client. It took most of the morning.
Reports can take a lot of time. I had a design meeting today. We discussed a new layout for the website.
That sounds interesting. Did everything go well?
Yeah, mostly. We had a few disagreements about the color scheme, but we found a compromise.
Teamwork is all about compromise, isn't it?
Absolutely. What about you? Did your morning go smoothly?
More or less. My computer froze right before a meeting, but I fixed it just in time.
Oh no. That's stressful.
It was, but after that, everything was fine. Around 11, I took a short coffee break.
Same here. I grabbed a cup from the cafe near our office. The barista already knows my order.
That's nice. I usually make my own coffee at work, but sometimes I go out for a change of scene.
Do you eat lunch alone or with coworkers?
Usually with a few coworkers. We like trying different places near the office.
That sounds fun. I had lunch with my team today, too. We went to a small Thai restaurant.
Oh, I love Thai food. What did you have?
Pad Thai with shrimp. It was delicious, but a bit spicy.
I like spicy food, but it makes me sweat, even in winter.
Same. After lunch, we walked around for a few minutes before heading back to the office.
That's a good habit. Walking after lunch helps digestion.
Yeah, it does. How was your afternoon?
Busy, but productive. I had 2 meetings back to back. One about a new marketing campaign and another about next month's schedule.
Sounds like a full day. Did you get tired?
A little. I drank another cup of coffee around 3 p.m. to stay awake.
I did the same. That afternoon coffee is almost a tradition now.
True. After my meetings, I reviewed some data and replied to a few emails.
I spent the afternoon working on design adjustments and preparing a short presentation.
Do you enjoy making presentations?
I don't mind. Once I start, I actually like it. The hard part is organizing the slides.
I get that. I usually spend more time choosing the right words than designing the slides.
Same here. By 5 p.m., I was ready to wrap up.
Me too. I cleaned my desk, saved my files, and wrote a short note about what to do tomorrow.
That's a great habit. Ending the day neatly helps start fresh the next morning.
Exactly. So, what time did you leave the office?
Around 5:30. The sun was still up, so it felt nice walking to the bus stop.
That's a good way to end the workday. I left around the same time and drove home with the windows down.
When I got home, the first thing I did was change into comfortable clothes.
Same here. That's the best feeling after a long day. Just switching to comfy clothes.
Totally. Then I drank a big glass of water and sat down for a few minutes to relax.
Did you make dinner or order something?
I cooked tonight. I made spaghetti with tomato sauce and some salad on the side.
Nice. I cooked too. I made chicken soup because I felt like something warm and light.
That sounds cozy. Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I order food when I'm too tired, but I try to cook at least 4 days a week.
Same here. Cooking helps me relax. I like cutting vegetables. It's kind of therapeutic.
You're right. Cooking can be very calming. After dinner, what did you do?
I washed the dishes, then watched a short video about travel destinations.
Oh, where did the video take you today?
Japan. It showed traditional markets and small noodle shops. It made me want to travel again.
I love videos like that. They make you dream about the next vacation.
Exactly. What did you do after dinner?
I called my mom. We talked for about 20 minutes. She always asks if I'm eating properly.
That sounds familiar. My mom does the same every time I call her.
After that, I took a shower and changed into my pajamas.
I did the same around 9 p.m. It's like the final reset before the night.
Exactly. Do you read before bed?
Sometimes. Tonight, I read a few pages of a book about positive habits.
That's nice. I'm reading a mystery novel right now, but I usually fall asleep after 5 pages.
I know that feeling. My eyes get heavy so fast once I lie down.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
I try not to, but sometimes I check messages or the weather for tomorrow.
Same here. I'm trying to put my phone away earlier, but it's not easy.
True. The screen light keeps the brain awake.
Exactly. So, how would you describe your day overall?
It was balanced. Some work, some laughter, some rest. Nothing special, but satisfying.
That's a good day. Mine was productive, but not stressful. I like that kind of rhythm.
Same. I think good days are made of small, simple moments.
Totally agree. A calm morning, a nice meal, friendly people. That's enough.
What's your favorite part of the day, usually?
Evenings, for sure. When work is done and I can just relax.
I like early mornings. The world feels quiet, like a fresh start.
That's beautiful. I should try waking up earlier to enjoy that peace.
You'd love it. The light, the silence. It's a good way to think clearly.
Maybe I'll set my alarm for 6:30 tomorrow, like you.
I'll check in and see if you actually wake up.
Deal. And you have to promise to get some good sleep tonight.
I will. I'm already feeling sleepy.
Me too. But it was nice talking about our day like this.
Yeah, it helps you reflect on small things you usually ignore.
Exactly. Sometimes saying things out loud makes you appreciate them more.
I agree. Well, time to rest and start fresh tomorrow.
Right. Have a good night, Adam.
You too. Sarah, sleep well.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
See you. Good night.
Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!